Hey guys, today I'm working with a Admiral, which is made by Whirlpool, washer and electric dryer. And I've got the washer going on a load right now. One thing that's cool about this is you can actually select your load size and it will add more water. So instead of barely using any water at all, you get to select and you do get full submersion on the clothes that you're washing. So this is more of a medium load here. But you can see it's got the agitator there, works great. Obviously you can see it's filled up with water. I'll let you hear that it drains and then has a nice, smooth, fast final spin cycle. Then we'll move the clothes over to the dryer and I'll show you that the dryer works perfectly. Alright, and it is draining the water out now. See, it's sucking all the water out, finishing up the wash cycle. And it'll go into the rinse cycle, which fills all the way back up with clean water, agitates, and then drains out for the final spin. Okay, we are on that final spin cycle. Show you that it's spinning nice and fast. Now the only reason I can lift this up is because I took the 2 screws out for the lid lock. Otherwise this would be locked and you wouldn't be able to lift this up. But I do it just so that you can see that it's spinning nice and fast. You see here it's smooth, sounds great. We'll let it finish up. We'll switch over to the dryer. I have got those clothes moved over to the dryer. I've got it set on time dry, high heat. You just hit go here. Get your lint trap up top. And it's super quiet, you can't barely hear it running. Show you real quick. Oh, also with my heat gun here, right in between the 2 red dots, you can see it's taking a surface temperature measurement. Can't see the difference between what I shine it on. We're gonna shine that right in here, right inside the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of that tube there, and that in turn heats the inside of your dryer up, anywhere from about 95 up to 195. And that just depends on what you have your heat setting on here, because you also have a air dry, low heat, and then automatic high heat. So however you'd like to do it. That's going to be it for this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Now you know everything works perfect. When you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.